Hey everyone, want to create a business website in Framer? Whether you're building a website for a small business, startup, agency, or local company, Framer makes it easy to create a professional, responsive website without coding. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create a business website in Framer in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Framer account and create a new project. You can start with a blank canvas, choose a business website template, or use Framer AI to generate a website from a simple prompt. Next, organize the main pages of your website. Most business websites include a home page, about page, services page, portfolio or projects page, contact page, and sometimes a blog or FAQ section. Now personalize your website by updating the colors, fonts, images, and layout. Replace the sample content with your own business information, upload your company logo, and use consistent branding throughout the site. Next, add the features your visitors need. Include a contact form, clear call to action buttons, customer testimonials, service descriptions, pricing information if appropriate, and links to your social media profiles. Before publishing, make sure your website works well on every device. Review the tablet and mobile layouts, optimize your images, add page titles and meta descriptions, and include descriptive alt text for your images to improve SEO. Once everything is ready, preview your website and click Publish. You can use a Framer subdomain or connect your own custom domain to give your business a more professional online presence. To create a better business website, keep your navigation simple, write clear and helpful content, use high-quality images, include customer reviews, regularly update your website, and make it easy for visitors to contact you. A professional website builds trust and helps convert visitors into customers. And that's how to create a business website in Framer in 2026. With the right layout, professional branding, responsive design, and SEO optimization, you can build a website that helps your business stand out online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.